Alright, so we're driving into Dolphin Beach. It's the middle of March, not too windy, not too sunny here in Cape Town.
It's actually already 6:05, man. We're late to the party.
It's 6:05. I just opened my WOO app on my watch and we are gonna have a little battle today, hey Leo?
Yep.
So the deal today is whoever gets the highest jump
gets the invite to the steakhouse, right?
invite to the steakhouse, yeah. So dinner will be either on you or me. Welcome to Dolphin. I'm on 7 meters so far. Yeah? Okay, so Leo is on 7.8 and I'm on 7.65. I'll get him. Oh yeah! Current status, I have a beautiful 8.85. Oh, I have a 7.
I got 7.8.
7.8.
But you got one more size tight, so that's not fair.
Okay, what do you have, Leo?
9.4.
9.4.
Okay, what you got, eh?
A 9.6. Let's keep going. Oh look, boy. Got a 9.9. I got another 9.4. 9.4? Let's do 10 before we leave. Okay, let's go. Did it. 10.3. We out of here. Woo! 10.3. Yeah, buddy. Okay, let's go. My highest jump was 11 meters. What do you have, Leo? Let's see. 10.9.
I guess some bad mistakes, huh?
Dash. Why are you paying the bill, Leo?
don't know. Something must have happened. I have amnesia.
Is it because I jumped? Is it because I jumped higher than you today?
I can't.